everyone, I'm Anna from XYGLED. We're from Shenzhen, China. This time we will show you our LED outdoor advertisement screen. This one is P6.6. The smallest pixel and present we have P4.4, P5, P6, P8, and P10. Let me show you the back of the cabinet. This cabinet size is 960 by 960 millimeter, and the module size is 480 by 320. It's very simple to assemble one by one, and we have the fast lock to assemble each cabinet, and we also have the handlebar. It's easy to maintain and install the cabinet. We will provide you a very simple tool to turn the direction of these parts so you can maintain the module from the front very easy.